Hi everybody, today is day 24 of Island Challenge and I'm going to discuss about being game. Be game! Let's continue. Of course, it's important that when you're doing the online business, you have to get serious, and it's very important that you do things in a specific manner. But being game is about a concept. Of course, we are all here to make money, but my point is that you have to treat it like a game. You have to see the whole thing as a game. You recruit a person or you get him on your team, so everything is a plan, everything is a game. So if you look at it as a game, that's going to be more interesting for you rather than just looking at things being playful is actually to change your mood. When you're doing business, you're all alone, you're at your home, and you may not find people who are supporting you. Maybe even your family doesn't understand what exactly you're doing. So we all go through that same phase, or sometimes you might have people who are supporting you. Irrespective of that, when you have a playful attitude, when you think it is a game, you're going to have a playful attitude towards it. That's going to click, that's going to change your mood. Biologically, by default, we are all winded by this code word called play. When we say okay, let's go play, it altogether changes the chemistry. So when you are in a playful mode, you perform much better. So treat it in this way and you'll definitely see it quite interesting. My third point is have fun doing online business. If you're not going to have fun, then you will lose the basic elements. And so we are doing online business to have fun and enjoy this. So don't make it more frustrated, or you look at the results, or there are days basically that would frustrate you or make you feel sad, but just come out of it. You just keep going, keep shooting your videos and have some fun on the go, or shoot some funny videos. Just have fun. You have all the people who are going to support you in the online business, so have fun doing online business. That's going to make a lot of difference. My next point is get creative ideas. It's more important to work with creativity. Everybody is there, they're all doing the same old stuff. So in order to come out of the boredom, in order to make it more interesting for the customer, you need to get creative. And all that you need to do is just take yourself to a beach, or just go to a park, just sit around, just think of some creative ideas, or just google for creative ideas. You will find a lot of things that you can do in a very creative manner. So these all things will add fuel and make the fun part quite interesting. So the last point is last but not the least, but little bit of everything. See, you need to add all areas of different marketing strategies, and you need to have a little bit of everything, like confidence, self discipline, perseverance, little bit of fun, little bit of play. So you just add all together and finally you will have success. So you need to add all the necessary things that is there which would make you successful. So focus on it and become successful in the online business. See you tomorrow on the challenge, and thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, just click on subscribe below. Thank you.